Be honest, how many times have you really thought, if I just earn more, my money problem would disappear? Let me tell you a secret. Even a six-figure salary won't save you if your spending is out of control. But what if I told you there is a simple rule that can fix this? It's called the 50-30-20 rule, and trust me, it's about to change the way you think about money. Let me tell you a story. Lisa is a graphic designer making $4,000 a month after taxes. She thought she was doing great until she hit a financial problem. Her bills kept piling up. Her saving account was particularly a joke. She had no idea where her money was going. One day, she googled how to stop being broke and stumbled on this rule. That's when everything changed. Let me show you how it works. What is the 50-30-20 rule? It's simple. You take your monthly income and divided it into three categories. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings or debt. Think of it as blueprint for telling your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. Now let's break it down. 50% for needs. Needs are your essential, the stuff you literally cannot live without. Think rent, groceries, utilities, and transportation. For Lisa, her rent is $1,500, groceries are $500, and her bills are $300, totaling $2,300. That is just under 50% of her $4,000 income. But what if your needs are eating up more than 50%? This is where the hard conversation happens. Maybe you need to find cheaper apartment or rethink that luxury car payment. It's tough, but it's worth it. 30% for once. Now this is where things get fun. This includes dining out, streaming services, travel, or that unnecessary but coffee subscription. For Lisa, she allocates $1,200 to her wants. But here's the trick. But she keeps her spending intentional. She cut out stuff she didn't really care about, like random buys. Next time, if you are about to buy something, ask yourself, will I still care about this next week? If the answer is no, put it back. You will save the money. 20% for saving or debt. This is where the magic happens. The final 20% goes towards building your future, saving for emergency, investing, or paying off debt. For Lisa, that $800 a month, she started with an emergency fund, then opened a Roth IRA for retirement. And if you are stuck in there, no worries. Just use that 20% to tackle it head on. Trust me, there's no better feeling than seeing your balance shrink every month. How to start using the 50-30-20 rule? Here's how to make this rule work for you. Write down your income after taxes, of course. Track every expenses for a month. I mean everything, even that $5 app you subscribe but forgot about that. Sort your spending into needs, wants, and savings. Be brutally honest. Adjust where needed. If your needs are taking up 60%, find ways to cut back, like meal prepping or negotiating your bills. Alright, let's recap what we just learned. 50% for needs, cover your essential, housing, food, transportation. 30% for wants, enjoy life, but be intentional about your spending. 20% for saving or debt, build your future or tackle that debt mountain. Now here's the thing, the 50-30-20 rule is not about restricting your life, it's about the balance. It's about making sure you are covered today while also planning for tomorrow. Now here's the thing, this rule will help you manage your money, but if you want to grow it, you have got to understand compounding. It's like planting a money that keeps growing year after year. If you haven't watched my first video, The Power of Compounding, I highly recommend you check it out next. It's ultimate tools to build wealth and it's easier than you think. With that said, thanks for watching and I will see you soon.